Hello friends, myself Vivek Godkar, Assistant Professor, Science of Technology, HLKR. So in my last video, we have seen how to form the partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary constants. In this video, I am going to discuss how to form the partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary function. Let us see one note. If the given relation between x, y, z contain two arbitrary function, then the derived partial differential equation will contain partial derivative of an order higher than 2. So in simple I can say, if the given relation between x, y, z contain one arbitrary function, then we have to differentiate one time to form the partial differential equation. If it is contain two arbitrary function, then we go for second order derivative. So now we will take some example based on this. Form the partial differential equation for z is equal to f of x square minus y square. Solution: z is equal to f of x square minus y square. So I will denote this one as some equation number 1. So in this example, we have to form the partial differential equation by eliminating the function. So here in this example, they have given only one function, so therefore I will differentiate this one single time. So in the first I will differentiate this one with respect to x. Differentiate equation number 1 partially with respect to x and with respect to y. So first, dou z upon dou x. Dou z upon dou x. So this is, I will write as p. Dou z upon dou x and take this one as small. This implies here we have to differentiate z with respect to x partially, taking y as constant. Derivative of the function f, that is f dash. F is removed, remaining is here x square minus y square. Derivative of x square is 2a and derivative of y square is 0 because y is constant. So into r 2x. So this implies p is equal to 2x, or I will take this 2x to LHS. This is p upon 2x equal to f dash of x square minus y square. So I will denote as some equation number. Again I will differentiate equation number 1 partially with respect to y, that is dou z upon dou y. So this is nothing but, so I will use notation here. So now I will differentiate this one with respect to y partially. So again derivative of f is f dash of x square minus y square. F is the function is removed here, remaining is x square minus y square. Derivative of x square is 0 because it is constant, and derivative of y square is minus 2y because here we are having minus, derivative of y square is 2y with minus sign. I will take this minus 2y to LHS. So this becomes minus q upon 2y is equal to f dash of x square minus y square. So our question is, we have to form the partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary function. Here we have to eliminate. So to eliminate the function, what I do, I will compare equation number 2 and 3. So equating equation number 2 and equation number 3. So here in equation number 2 as well as equation number 3, RHS part is same. If RHS is equal, then LHS also equal. That is P upon 2H is equal to minus Q upon 2 into Y. So now I cross multiply. I will take this 2y to numerator and this 2x to numerator. It become 2py is equal to minus 2h into. Therefore, so 2 and 2 get cancelled here. X into Q. So I will take this one to RHS plus LHS. P into Y is equal to 0. So this is the required partial differential equation. And here we have removed what? Arbitrary function. So I will take one more example. Solution. So again the question is same. Form the partial differential equation for the function x plus y plus z is equal to f of x square plus y square plus z square. Again in this example we are having only one function. Therefore we have to differentiate the given function with respect to y and with respect to y single time. So given here x plus y plus z is equal to f of x square plus y square plus z square. So now I will differentiate. So here z is what? Dependent variable and x and y are independent variable. Differentiate z, differentiate 1 with respect to x and y partially. So I will differentiate equation number 1 with respect to y and with respect to x partially. While differentiating with respect to x, obviously y is constant. Now derivative of x is 1, derivative of y is 0, derivative of z with respect to x is dou z upon dou x. This implies derivative of f is f dash so now the function is removed. Derivative of x square is 2 into x, derivative of y square is 0 plus derivative of z square is 2 into z dou z upon dou x, dou z upon dou x. So this implies 1 plus dou z upon dou x nothing but p is equal to f dash of x square plus y square plus z square into, so if here I will take 2 common, 2 into x plus z dou z upon dou x is p. So this implies 1 plus p upon 2 into x plus zp. So I have taken this term to LHS is equal to f dash of x square plus y square plus z square. So I will take this one as some equation number 2. Now similarly, so I will differentiate equation number 1 partially with respect to y. So now derivative of x is 0, derivative of y with respect to y is 1, derivative of z with respect to y is dou z upon dou y is equal to derivative of f is f dash of x square plus y square plus z square. The function is removed. Derivative of x square is 0, y square is what here? 2 into y plus z square is 2z dou z upon dou into y. So 1 plus dou z upon dou y is q is equal to f dash of x square y square z square. So 2 into y plus 2z into q. 2z into q. So now I will take this one to LHS, and here I will take 2 common. So remaining is here 1 plus q upon 2 into y plus z into q is equal to f dash of x square plus y square plus z square. So I will take this one as some equation number 3. Now here I have differentiated given equation with respect to x as well as with respect to y. Now in the next step I will eliminate the arbitrary function. So for that I will compare equation number 2 and 3. In equation number 2 and in equation number 3, RHS part is equal. If RHS is equal, obviously LHS is also equal. By equating 2 and 3, I will get here 1 plus p upon 2 into x plus z into p, which is equal to 1 plus q upon 2 into y plus z into q. So here 2 and 2 get cancelled. So I will cross multiply. So after cross multiplying I will get 1 plus p into y plus z into q is equal to x plus z into p into 1 plus q. So if you want, you can simplify this one, or else you can stop here. So we'll take one more example based on this one. So the again question is saying form the partial differential equation for z is equal to f of x plus iy plus phi of x minus iy. Here we can see in this example we are having two functions. Therefore, I will differentiate the given equation with respect to x as well as with respect to y partially twice. Solution: z is equal to f of x plus iy plus phi of x minus I into y. So now I will differentiate z with respect to x partially 2 times and z with respect to y partially 2 times. Then I will eliminate the arbitrary function. So dou z upon dou x. Dou z upon dou x. Now derivative of f is f dash of x plus iy. Here f is removed. Remaining is x plus I into y. Derivative of x is 1 plus I into 0. Sorry, I into y. I is constant, y is constant. Derivative of constant is 0. So this implies f dash of x plus I into y. So I go for one more derivative, dou square z upon dou x square. Now derivative of f dash is again f double dash of x plus I into y. So f dash is removed, remaining is here x plus I into y. Derivative of x is 1 plus derivative of this one is 0. So this implies dou square z upon dou x square is equal to here I have done small mistake. So once again I will solve this example. Dou z upon dou x is equal to, so derivative of f is f dash of x plus I into y. Derivative of x plus I into y is 1 plus derivative of phi is phi dash of x minus I into y. Now phi is removed, remaining is x minus iy. Derivative of x is 1. So therefore, so I will go for one more derivative, dou square z upon dou x square. So now 1 is nothing but 1. Derivative of f dash is f double dash of x plus iy. F dash is removed, remaining is here x plus iy. Derivative of x plus iy is 1 plus derivative of phi dash is phi double dash. Derivative of phi dash of x minus I into y. Derivative of x minus I into y is again 1. So I will take this one as some equation number 2. Now I will differentiate equation number 1 partially with respect to y. That is dou z upon dou. Derivative of f is f dash of x plus iy. Now f is removed. Remaining is here x plus iy. Derivative of x is 0. Derivative of y is 1 with respect to y. And remaining is here r. Plus derivative of phi is phi dash of x minus iy. Remaining is here x minus iy. Derivative of x is 0 and derivative of minus I into y is minus I. So I will take one more derivative, dou square z upon dou y square. So I will write here I as it is because it is constant. Derivative of f dash is f double dash of x plus iy. Derivative of x plus iy with respect to y is again I. So plus into minus, minus, I will write I as it is. Derivative of phi dash is phi double dash x minus I into y. X minus I into y. Derivative of x minus I into y is again minus I. X is 0. I into y is I with minus sign. Therefore, dou square z upon dou y square is equal to, see here, I into y, I square value minus 1. So remaining is here, you have double dash of x plus I into y. Minus into minus plus I into I square. I square value is minus 1. So again this becomes minus phi double dash of x minus I into y. Now we have differentiated the given function 2 times with respect to y and with respect to x. Now to form the partial differential equation, we have to eliminate arbitrary constant function. Therefore, what I do, I will add equation number 2y3. So I will add LHS separately and I will add RHS separately. That is dou square z upon dou x square from equation number 2 and plus dou square z upon dou y square from equation number 3, which is equal to, see here we are having f double dash of x plus I into y with positive, and here we are having, so I have done small mistake here. So this is minus, this is plus, because I into I square value is minus 1 minus, and here minus into minus plus I into I square value is minus. So small mistake is happened. I into I minus into minus plus I into I is I square value is minus 1. So this is also minus plus minus. Okay. So here positive and here we are having negative, both get cancelled. Again here this is positive and this one is negative, get cancelled. So I will get here 0. So this is required answer. Here eliminated the arbitrary function and have formed the differential equation. So thank you.